Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we can go about rating the performance of our computer, our server, our laptop by generating a Windows Experience Index. In this demonstration, we're going to be looking at three different ways that we can rate the performance of our machine. In this first example, we're going to use the Windows System Assessment Tool, WinSat, to rate our machine from the command line. So to begin, let's go down to Start, and in the search bar, let's type in CMD for command prompt, and we're going to run as administrator. At the prompt, we type in WinSat, give it a space, then type in the word formal. Hit enter. It's going to take a couple of minutes to finish this assessment of your machine using the WinSat command from the command prompt. But when you're done, we can take a look at the log file that it's going to generate and get our rating from that particular file. Now, once the assessment has completed, we can go back down here to the start, and in the run line here, or the search window, we can type in the following address. We can go to c:\performance/windows//WinSat/datastore. We're going to go ahead and open it. And inside of this data store folder, you can go to the bottom to get your latest report. Go ahead and open that up, but to do so, you're going to have to right click, and you're going to have to open it with a browser. So I'm going to open it up with Firefox. Now this XML file is a little hard to read, but toward the top of the report, you're going to be able to find that Windows Experience Index that we're looking for. And so underneath WinSPR, you're going to be able to find your score report or your Windows Experience Index, and that's what we're seeing right here. In this next example, we're going to be using Powershell to get a much cleaner view of the Windows Experience Index. And so I'm going to go down here to my start, and in the search bar, I'm going to type in Power. And once I have Windows PowerShell up, I'm going to run it as administrator. At the PowerShell prompt, we're going to type in the following command: Get-CimInstance space Win32_WinSat. Now this is going to generate the same type of report, but we're just not going to have all of the fluff that we had in the previous report using the command prompt. Let's go ahead and run this real quick. And you can see it comes back very quickly. This machine is running 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It also has an SSD hard drive, and I'm going to say that that's probably the reason why my scores are so high. I'm using an onboard graphics card because I'm not a gamer, so that doesn't really affect me too much. I have all the graphic that I need. And from this report, your Windows Experience Index overall score is going to be located down here where it says Win SPR level. And my score is an 8. Yours may vary. So the next time you're out shopping or you're looking at laptops or computers and the salesperson is telling you what a great machine that is you're looking at, go ahead and run this particular command and get your Windows Experience Index and see just how good this machine is performing with what it has currently installed. And in our third and final example, we're going to be using an old tool that's been around inside of the Windows operating system since it was first created, and that's called Performance Monitor. Now to do this, I'm going to go down here to my Start button, and again in the search bar, I'm just going to type in Performance. And where we have Performance Monitor here, I'm just going to go ahead and double click it. To begin using Performance Monitor to get our Windows Experience Index or to rate our machine's performance, we're going to go over here to the left window pane, and under Data Collection Sets, we're going to expand that. We're going to expand System, move over this window just a little bit, and we're going to click where it says System Diagnostics. Now once we've selected System Diagnostics, we have to right click on it, and we have to tell it to start the analysis. So let's go ahead and start. So once you've had enough of the analysis and you want to get that Windows Experience Index, just go ahead and slide on over to that left window pane one more time, go on down to Reports, and we're going to go into System, and we're going to open up System Diagnostics, and we're going to click on the report. This is going to be the name of your machine. Click on that. Now you're going to scroll on down until you come to Hardware Configuration. Go ahead and expand that. And now you're going to expand Desktop Rating right here. And now you're going to expand the query and the returned object. And if you scroll down just a little bit more, you will find your Windows Experience Index. And so in this short video presentation, you've been shown 3 different ways that you can generate your own Windows Experience Index. I'm Professor K. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.